All right, Mr. Wolford, who treated you right today?
Bernie, not ATV.
Thank you, sir. We're on the road, we're all loaded up, heading to Youngstown, Ohio to drop the GT250 off to Mr. Mike Wolford. We're all loaded up, we're all fueled up, we're all coffeeed up, and we're ready to go. So let's get on the road. Next stop, Youngstown, Ohio. Good morning. May I please have a large original blend iced coffee with the normal amount of cream, liquid sugar, and caramel, please?
Okay.
And that'll be everything.
Okay, it's 402.
Thank you. She's looking good back there.
402.
Thank you. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. You gotta like iced coffee.
You have a great day.
You too. All right, guys, here we go. Got our iced coffee, and we're back on the road. Exit 226, counting down.
It's way nicer than I figured. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Well, this is our winner, Mike Wolford. Congratulations.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks for Odd ATV for sponsoring this. This is awesome. It's unbelievable, truthfully. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's yours.
The videos don't do it justice. It's way nicer in person than I could even imagine. It's unbelievable.
I didn't want to ride it. I didn't want a chance of wrecking it before you got
tempting,
it.
Huh?
Yeah.
I know. That's what he told me. Don't let my son-in-law ride it.
Right.
Still, my son-in-law, he's kind of crazy. Scratching the ball.
All right, we're gonna unload the machine. I'll get back to you as soon as we get her fired up. Get her on Mike's truck. Now, how'd you like your first ride?
It was awesome. That two-stroke is snappy. This thing is unbelievable. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Look at here, we got people coming alive.
Another man with a childhood dream.
He redid this, and I won it in a contest.
Awesome.
Brand new. I'm like, who the heck was Facebook requesting me? I thought it was a scam, and then it was Bernie, and I won the contest. Awesome. It's cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So I drove in from Williamsport, Pennsylvania. He drove in from Michigan. Yep, met in the middle.
Pretty cool, ain't it? You ever ride one of these things when you were young? I think they were real expensive. Old days, older head.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Hey, good. Bernie.
Come on, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Bill, get out of his way, kid. He's not going to be able to stop. Top and the bottom. That was awesome. Yeah, it's fine. You're almost at the spot.
Where the man strapped down his machine for the first time. Then I'll get my ramps. This day turned out way better than I thought it was going to. I'm glad you guys found this place. All right, Mr. Wolford, who treated you right today?
Bernie, not ATV.
Thank you, sir.
That's awesome.
It was really nice meeting you.
Thank you.
You're
I want
welcome.
to get you guys some pictures.
Yeah. Hey, take one with my camera too. Here it goes, guys. The GT250's heading to Michigan. I can't believe it's leaving. See you later, guys. Oh man. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes off to Michigan. All right, we're off. All right, guys, we're heading back to Pennsylvania. I'll see you soon.